It's okay. What is going on, Ronaldo? Come on. It's okay. Take him out. Come on. What the fuck? What have you done? What have you done? Speed, come on. Why did you do this? Show us some skills.
I don't know. What's gonna happen? He's very angry. He's shocked. He say, "Oh my God, it's Ronaldo here. You want to be speak Portugal, or you want to be play with the football, the ball? I can't show him, so he's angry. I don't know now. Maybe come back." Yeah. In the sink.
Sorry, y'all, for getting too angry, bro. I really apologize, man. For getting a little angry, man, you know. I kind of got a little bit mad, you know, because I've been, you know, wanted to meet Ronaldo for a long time, you know. And right here, you know, and he just keep laughing, you know, like he can't even keep the laughing. You can't even keep the laughing right here.
No, I'm not laughing.
No. Keep a straight face and look at the camera right now. Why? Like you know what? All right. You know what? I apologize for getting mad. You know what I'm saying? But like, what the? I just have to do it, bro. I just.
Did he show them he broke the TV?